Mahanagar Gas. This stock had a good growth story in between December 18 to 19. That time the stock had a big rally. Remember, we bought this at around 700 rupees and sold around 1200 something. While the growth slowed down in March quarter itself. So March quarter result has to slow down. That means from January onward, sales has dropped for this company, and the whole industrial gas industry itself is down. If you see Gujarat Gas, IGL, a lot of people have been asking about IGL, that there is some expectation building on that stock, or I don't know, is there fancy for IGL? IGL was a very good stock some time back. Now looks like it's not leading the industry group also. So when the whole industry is down, we need the industry group to start showing signs that will come when collectively all the stocks start performing well. Among them, one leader will come. That should be the place where we have to invest. In this stock, FIIs and MFs have been selling since 2 quarters. So since March quarter results dropped, before that it was very good. That company's result was very good from December 18 to December 19. Superb results. This stock was there in all the portfolios. March result came, automatically triggered them to sell. That's why FIIs and MFs have been selling since last 2 quarters. Again, the same pattern. Retail has been heavily buying this stock, and I think they'll be losing big time because stock has been continuously going down. And Mahanagar Gas is the best among peers. Among all the gas stocks that is there in our market, Mahanagar Gas is the topmost. While it should not be there in the portfolio now, it will bleed your account. It is showing good dividend yield. This is because price is lower, and since there is company is struggling to have good sales and profit is getting tight, chances of dividend continuation also will not be there. So whatever that 4.7% something dividend yield which is showing now because of the lower price, chances of it coming down is very high. So buying for dividend yield is not good. Ranking in our stock ranking system, where the rankings are, earnings rank is 57.1. That means about 43% of the companies. We track about 672 companies. Out of 672, 43% of companies is more better than Mahanagar Gas in the profits. There are 43% of companies that are doing better profits than Mahanagar Gas. On the stock price front, this stock is having 40 rank. That means 60% of the companies in the market is better than Mahanagar Gas. So obviously, when you buy a stock, it should be in the top quartile. Top quartile means ranking should be 80 and above. That is where big money is made. When we buy stocks that is low lying, unless there is some strength and all, it will not do well. It is simple. Buy stocks that is having more than 80 earnings and price rank. There, our work is very less. You would have already selected the best ones. In Mahanagar Gas, rankings are very, very low. That needs caution. And when the tide turns up, that is when the whole industry turns up, then pick the leader. As of last trend, Mahanagar Gas was the leader. Previous to that, when industrial gas was doing well, it was IGL which led. So probably keeping that in mind is why people are buying IGL. I don't know. As of now, all the gas companies are moving out of portfolios. It's almost out. You can check by default. You can go and check any of the diversified mutual fund portfolios. If you check on 10, very rarely you can find any gas companies in the portfolio. When such is there, big participation is not there, automatically stock will not move up. So in our view,